Hi, today we're going to talk about court orders of custody. We're not talking about child support, where law enforcement and the courts actually take notice and will enforce them. We're not going to talk about orders of protection, where if you violate them, you're going away in cuffs for the evening until you get arraigned the next day. We're talking about custody orders where people treat them as if they're discretionary. What's discretionary? It means you're going to follow them whether you want to. You're going to follow them if you feel like following them. It's merely a suggestion. It's not something that you actually have to do. Perhaps people treat it as a recommendation that mom has custody and dad has alternate weekends, plus he has 2 nights every week from Tuesday through Thursday. For some, that's discretionary. It depends on whether or not the child actually wants to go. It depends on whether or not the other parent actually told the child he or she has to go. Or maybe they told the child, you know what? If you stay here with mom or dad, I have something extra special planned for you, to make it so the child tells the other parent, you know what, I really don't want to go. Or a parent is so vile and direct, they'll tell that child, you tell your parent you don't want to go. Okay. And I'm going to say it to you, and I'm going to make you feel it, that you're not going to want to have a relationship with that parent. But there's still a valid court order that says you need to go. So, Johnny or Jill, just remember, mommy or daddy can't be violated if you choose not to go. Wink, wink. Okay. Do you see how horrible this is? What have we become as parents? There's all sorts of things, the me, we, you movement. But what about parents? Parents are pitting other parents against each other. We're not talking about Brad Pitt and Angeline Jolene. We're talking about regular people. So again, court orders should not be treated as discretionary. If a parent has court ordered parenting time, that means that child needs to go. A child goes to school, a parent doesn't allow Johnny or Jill to sit on their romp and watch TV and play video games when they need to be in school. So remember this. People don't need to be in family court if they followed court orders. That's my 2-second spiel. So please follow court orders. I, as an attorney, don't enjoy fighting for parents to have rights.